everywhere. We've got a problem right there. It's going to be a minute, guys. If you ever want to know what the inside, he's got the door open. I want to make sure he's all right, because if there's that many pieces on the outside there, you just want to make sure there's none on the inside. Somebody run down there and make sure Daniel's okay. Nothing came through the car.
We're glad you're okay, though.
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Is this part of the fun?
I want to say it's fun. No.
Not at the moment, huh?
No.
No, it's. But you left pieces everywhere.
Yeah.
You'll be famous for the carnage, though.
Oh yeah. This is what pushes our industry. We do this to the parts. We find the weak links and then we approve on it. So.
Yeah. You're gonna get all the people going, "What happened, buddy?"
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So what do you think? I saw piston rings right at the starting line.
Yeah, the block split at the mains, just down the whole block. The split at the mains, the whole block comes up in there. All the pistons spit down. You know, it's a cast piston, so they're not very strong once a block does that.
Okay. Was that pretty intense sound for you on the inside?
Oh yeah, it was loud.
Yeah, but that sounded like a rocket blast right in your ears. So, trophy for the best show.
Should
we give you that?
Yeah, I need a trophy for this one for sure.
I think so. It's deserving. Yeah. So what are you running here? Tell me, because don't know your vehicle. Where are you running is now, huh?
Yeah, it's a Pro Mod 88 millimeter GT55, 4 stages nitrous, SNS, 400% injectors, SNS 12 mil pumps, TH400 from Suncoast. Pretty simple setup.
Simple setup, but still it was awesome. I mean, you sounded great in the start, just kind of. Like I said, the block split under the pressure. So right before you went out, you were out here kind of doing a little bit of dialing in. I'm gonna go with your rev limiter or something.
Yeah, we're giving it a little bit more boost on the leave. We were leaving at like 35 pounds yesterday, and we tried leaving at like 40 to 42 today. So.
Okay. You think that's what made all the difference?
No, it probably made another 200 horsepower when it was split from yesterday. So.
Okay. All right, but you'll do it all again, right?
Try not to, but yeah, we'll.
Not blow the engine, but you'll get back out there in the races, right?
Yeah, for sure. We'll be back out next year.
That'll be great. Okay, thanks for taking a minute with me.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
This little wonky jawed in there, sir.
Give it to him. It's a little bit sideways. Oh yeah, you can jump right up in there. You need to come get on this side. I mean, dang. You didn't get inside. It didn't hurt you at all inside, right?
No.
No. I mean.
Firewall did its job. There's some dents and stuff.
Yeah, you can see this thing moved. It just shows you how much force is behind all that.
What do you do?
Hung into the door, Daniel. What'd you do? probably gonna have to take this. Maybe we can loosen up.
Sorry.
Got one more.
Moonshine?
I got some bourbon.
That's good, bro.
All the way. This fireplace all do too. Might want to dump that out. That'd be nice.
Brandon.
What do y'all think of this? Not this round.
Saw the first
No, I mean 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna no, like we were pulling back when I go, there's no.
Tell me better. You were
Remember the last one? The cam was in 4 pieces. This one's solid.
Yeah, I'm hoping.
Yeah, that's what I said. Might be able to use
Good.
the cam.
Just move it out of your way.
front cover, how the motor together up here.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
They tried to rip the bolt out of the cover with.
Hello.
Yeah,
I think you did it better than LeBron.
Your shit broke. I don't know why.
He can multi-market now as a engine brace.
You sure did.
Hey, Dustin. Make a good table. What is it that we have here for a rear end?
That's what I'm
Yeah, that is. It's a Pro 9. Yeah, I just get it constrained. I just gotta know your measurements. Like, okay, special paper measurement. Every truck. Yeah. And they're gonna have measurements and all that stuff.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, we will. We already said we would. Not right now. We'll get you in a minute.
Good, you won't go.
You see. Ooh, we're getting it. We're gonna get it.
And then that's his little sidekick, Taylor.
Awesome. You two are gonna be famous.
Yeah, they may not be.
Well, thank you.
And that one. And that one.
Oh yeah, I want to see the measurements. Yeah. There was a deal that I think I printed it offline. I wasn't know like standard here.
Freaking insanity, isn't it? Just a little.